Hi! In front of me is CUBOT tablet Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings and tap on Security section after scrolling down. Now you need to select Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. After that you need to enter it, just next at the bottom right corner or repeat it and tap on Confirm. Then tap on one of those options to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all and tap on Done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I guess that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!